Hey guys, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to export and import database script through MySQL Workbench. So here I am going to show you first of all how to export, right? That already we had seen in the past video, but still I am going to show you. First of all, I will basically export KK Java Tutorials database. Here you can see I have a various tables, views, right, stored procedure and one function, right? And these all tables have a lot of data, right? So I'm going to export this data first of all, this database. So to export the database, you have to go to the server and then you have a data export option, right? And here you have to select the database or schema which you want to export. So I'm going to export KK Java Tutorials. So here you can see all the tables and views listed out here, right? In this option, I'm going to select dump, structure and data. That means I would like to basically export DDL query as well as DML query, both. Right, and here I would like to basically export stored procedure and functions as well, because I have a stored procedure and function in my database, right? And I'm going to in export option, I'm going to select second options. I would like to export everything in single file, right? So I'm going to browse the location where I would like to export this database. So in my desktop there is a folder is called script. Here I'm going to give the name as my script, right? And save and go to the export progress and let's start the export. So export is completed, right? So if I go to the desktop, here in script folder I have exported my KK Java Tutorials database, right? And here you can see this is a huge script, right, with DDL and DML query, and there is also a stored procedure, functions and everything, right? So how to import this huge script in my MySQL database? So there are a couple of ways you can do that. So first of all, if you go to the MySQL Workbench in file, then you will get the option run SQL script, and from here, so if you go to the run SQL script, then here you have to browse the script and you can open, and here you can select your database where you want to export, but this will throw some exception. I don't know, there is some bug looks like in basically MySQL Workbench 8. So I'm not going to take this approach. Rather, what I can do, so I will open my MySQL command line, and here I'm going to enter the root password, and here I'm going to create one database. There I would like to import my entire script. So I will do create database, and let's say KK Java 1. This database I'm going to create, right? And here I'm going to use this database, whatever database I have created just right now, KK Java 1. So right, so that I will run my script into the KK Java 1 itself, right? And what you have to do basically, our script over here, right? So you have to take this location, right? This file location, wherever you have saved this file. So I'm just going to copy this location, and I go to the MySQL command line, and here you have to write source, right? Source, and then your location of your script, entire location or entire path of your script, and press enter. So this is going to basically run our script into KK Java 1 database. So if I go over here and if I refresh, then I could see KK Java 1 database, right? If I go inside, then you can see that all the tables has been created, views, stored procedures and functions are created. If you go to the database table, then you can see as we ran the entire script, so all the table is having a lot of data, right? So everything imported, right? So that's how you can export and import your database script very easily, right, in MySQL. Thank you so much for watching this video.